Welcome, here I've got LG G8s ThinQ and I'm gonna show you how to take live photo in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we tap on it, we can open the advanced camera settings. And here in the useful features category we have the live photo option, so we have also some short information from the device that this records the action before and after you take a photo. So we can get here 2-in-1, the picture and the short clip. By tapping on this button we can turn it on and turn it off as we need. Now let me keep this turned on, let's go back to the camera and let me take a picture to show you how it works. To see it, let's move to the left to this button. Here we get quick access to the gallery, we can see the motion photo and the picture. Let's play it again by tapping on this button from the right. And this is how it works here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.